Hello, and I'm delighted to have JP Aubin with me today. JP is Co-Global Head of Brokerage at BGC Partners. Welcome, JP, and many congratulations on winning FOW's Trading and Execution Solution of the Year award for the Phoenix Global Options platform. PhoenixGo is part of BGC Partners Group. It's a global electronic platform for arranging exchange-listed futures and option trades. It was launched in the third quarter of 2019 to provide direct access to multiple market participants, allowing users to request prices quickly and anonymously.
Thank you, Wendy. Thank you for having me today, and thanks for the award. Thank you so much.
We're very happy to have you here. PhoenixGo is a global electronic platform for arranging exchange-listed futures and options trades. It was launched in the third quarter of 2019 to provide direct access to multiple market participants, allowing users to request prices quickly and anonymously. So JP, first of all, can you tell us about why the market needed the platform and how its development came about?
Sure. So, well, if we look at most, to not say all the exchanges, they do have a common pattern. Some of their business, even in an electronic environment, some of their current business remain OTC, over the counter. Roughly, I'm talking about two situations. When the orders are too complex or too big to be on a native screen of the exchange. Hence, the block size model. So what does it mean? Above a certain size, any member is able to look for a counterparty, what we call OTC style. So not in the screen, and then register the trade in the screen, in the exchange, post-execution. It was the model before PhoenixGo. So it was an OTC trade, what we also call an upstairs trade. If you do remember in Europe, the floors liquidity on Life and Matif in London and Paris moved electronic late 90s. Think about it, more than 20 years ago. So for more than 20 years, the way to trade the market did not change. So we decided to create PhoenixGo. We spoke to the main market participants, including the biggest market makers. And we launched PhoenixGo with them as partners, as you said, in fall 2019.
And how does PhoenixGo work?
So Phoenix is the BGC Partners Group electronic vehicle, and Go is for global options. So PhoenixGo is a RFQ platform, request for quote. It's totally anonymous, and the liquidity is provided by the market makers or partners, what we call the liquidity providers. As an example, today on Eurostoxx options, which is our market number one, thanks to our success, we do have multiple liquidity providers, more than 10. It does create a difference. I think I can say today we are the best liquidity in the market, talking about Eurostoxx options. So how does it work? We give access to our clients. They do RFQ themselves, meaning they do type on the keyboard, and the cross, including the delta, brackets the futures contract, is automatically sent to the exchange and fully STP to the book. I have to say, on top of the traders and the head of trading, the compliance and risk department of our clients really like PhoenixGo because it fixes their premium, which is anonymity, best execution, obviously, monitoring the trade, pre-trade, trade, and post-trade. So PhoenixGo electronic capture what was an OTC business before. I would like to say that we're not in competition with the exchange, because every trade we trade on PhoenixGo, every trade is automatically crossed with these exchanges. So we are partners as well.
And what would you say is disruptive about the PhoenixGo technology?
So PhoenixGo is unique. Its technology is unique. You have to remember we are fully STP, and the liquidity providers are equipped with API. They fully stream their prices. So when you RFQ the platform, you have a price live, fully streaming. So let's step in the shoes of a trader for a minute. Compared to voice, when you trade PhoenixGo, you have an instant clear visibility on what you're doing, and it's anonymous. And you obviously can trace and monitor every step of the transaction. So it's compliant, as any prices is the aggregation of multiple liquidity providers, hence the best execution. It's anonymous, it's safe at fully STP, it's fast and clear, and obviously is cheaper than voice, which is key today.
And how many products does PhoenixGo cover?
So we have 4 products today: Euro Stocks options, the 70, which is the European Banking Index, the Nikkei, and the HSCEI, which is the Hang Seng China Enterprise Index. And we are launching soon the DAX, the German Composite Index. The roadmap in 2021 is still European equities, especially indices driven, but also fixed income and US product. I'd like to talk as well about our performance today. Clearly, PhoenixGo is a champion of weekly and first 3 months options trade. And talking about our main 2 products on Nikkei and Euro Stocks, very often PhoenixGo market share on Nikkei for the first 3 months is up to 20%, 20% market share, and close to 10% on Euro Stocks. And it's only the beginning.
Thank you. Looking ahead, what are BGC's key milestones for further developments to the technology this year and into 2022?
Well, BGC always been strong in electronic business. As you do remember, we sold eSpeed, the treasuries market, to the NASDAQ, and we sold Trayport, the commodities platform, to ICE. That's part of our DNA. I do remember our business card when it was existing. We are on a paper, we said BGC voice plus electronic brokerage. We do invest more than $100 million per year, every year in tech. So that's part of our DNA. And today we have multiple electronic platforms under Phoenix umbrella, and PhoenixGo is one of these. We are proud, we're a big broker, voice as well. We are very proud of our voice business brokers. As in most of the product we do cover, we are leaders. But we're also proud of them, our brokers, because they do embrace the tech. They do embrace Phoenix and PhoenixGo. Think about it. In today's world, most of our communications, yours, mine, personal, business, they're through electronic chat or app. And in 10 years' time, the cars, the taxi, they won't have any drivers any longer. Everybody will be fully automatic. It is the new world. So we see PhoenixGo and Phoenix globally fully participating in the digitalization of the financial industry, where AI is making progress day after day. So the financial industry is adapting, and BGC has the tools and is ready, as we've demonstrated with PhoenixGo.
Thank you, JP. This has been really interesting, and congratulations once again on winning FOW's Trading and Execution Solution of the Year award.
Thank you so much, Wendy, and thank you to FOW. Again, it's an honor. And in the name of my colleagues of PhoenixGo, my great team, and Phoenix more globally, thank you so much.